What's up, dudes and dudettes? My name is Byron, and today I'm going to teach you how to cook the Breakfast Scrambler. To have the Breakfast Scrambler, you need red potatoes, grilled chicken breast, like those little strips, some eggs, shredded cheese, either white or yellow, and some hot sauce. And you also need salt and pepper to make this type of food as well. First, you'll need a couple of potatoes to cut up with. Now, using a knife is very dangerous, and you do not want to cut your fingers or anything except for the food while you're doing it, so be sure to have a grown-up to help you, or someone else who's older and responsible. Turn on the stove at least at like 4 or medium, and then put the oil on the fry pan, and then put the potatoes and the chicken on the fried pan as well. You can also get the eggs out and crack them. You can always check the scrambler every once in a while to see if it's doing okay. Cook it for about 10 to 20 minutes and then put the eggs in them. And before that, you can put some hot sauce on it too, and then once you get the eggs in, you can scramble them, and then you can put some salt and pepper on them as well while you're cooking. Once they're finished, turn off the oven and then grab a plate and put the scrambler on the plate, and then put some cheese on it and some hot sauce on it and put some extra cheese on it, and then boom, you're done. And that is how you make the Breakfast Scrambler. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. This is me, Byron, signing off.